Super excited to be here at Brew. It's the 9th edition. Really happy to be part of this entire group and culture. Let's see what's up at Brew number 9.
Disruption is absolutely real. In fact, it has become the new operating system for the marketing ecosystem. Therefore, Brew's relevance over the last so many years is only growing, because today the kind of interest that we see from our clients to attend Brew, from our partners, from our internal senior management is immense.
How do you live through the disruption? How do you manage the disruption? How do you kind of come up with an operating system in place that can handhold you through the entire process?
I think it was a wonderful platform. It was very constructive conversation for brands, marketers, and films. I think there should be more this kind of conversation because it really helps when you share ideas.
मुझे बेहद अच्छा लगा ब्रू पे आके और मैंने प्रवचन दिए, मजा आया. अच्छी रचनात्मक, क्रिएटिव और फ्री विल बातचीत हुई.
Speaking at Brew was fun. It's really nice to see that strong voices can get communicated to strong people, and strong people will then come back to the strong voices discussing marketing challenges or briefs.
It's great to have a completely diverse set of people here who all come in with very different opinions and perspectives, and I think a lot of the subjects here are really good because they are true disruption of thought, of perspective and of knowledge.
With the changes that's happening in the world right now and the disruption that's happening, it's great to see that we are keeping up in terms of the pace of getting the right speakers here, the right kind of conversations here.
Brew was absolutely lovely. I found it to be a room full of lots of love and nostalgia, and I really loved to interact with the audience there. I really enjoyed it. Thank you.
This year at Brew was super duper special. This year's video bite would be delivered by this super awesome boy who speaks like me and thinks like me.
It's an incredible time at Brew this year. To state with our awesome partner Google, launching 3 of our most creatively driven tech platforms in collaboration with Google.
Personally, I really enjoyed Brew 9, but they've asked me to leave. They said, "Ki boss, both ho gaya, now you please step out." But I will come back for Brew 10. I will not let them go 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I will be here. I mean, not in the same location. Hotels will change. But Brew 9, great fun was had by everybody. Let me go and meet my adoring fans.